Sorry, buddy. Have a good day. You should get off the trail.
Stop recording me. In the clouds.
In the clouds. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. I'm Chris.
And I'm Ola.
And today we're just trying to play it by ear. We don't really know what we're doing. Kind of stopped, found a trail. The weather keeps raining on and off, so we're not sure what we're doing. So we're just going to see what we can get done. Talk to you in a few. Here we are. No phone.
Safety first.
I don't know what I'm looking at. You can't tell, but that's steep. Keeps going up. See that ridge up above Ola? That's where we have to go. She waved. Say hi. Hey, you guys see us out here struggling for you guys. See this hill we're climbing? So if you haven't already, don't forget to like and follow, because it's really important for us to feel like, get the sense of what you guys enjoy and just to know you're there and hopefully talk to you a little bit. So say hello and help us get this video spread. I'll be talking to you.
And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe.
Look at that surprise, guys. Look at we're being checked out by a deer. Way in the distance. But it knows we're here, that's for sure. Bye, deer. We're waving like they can see.
This looks like such a fun hangout spot. Just to sit in the tree, read a book, listen to the birds, watch the deer. Or just stay in the shade when it's sunny out. I love all the green here, the different colors. It's the best part of spring. What are your thoughts, guys?
Leave them down below.
Chris just had a moment, guys.
I don't know what it was. I couldn't tell first.
Right there in the middle of the screen. Let's see if I can get in. Can you see it moving, guys? Chris was like, what is that?
Shit, I couldn't tell what the hell it was.
Makes it a little extra creepy with the fog around.
That makes it harder to tell what it was too. I just saw something moving. I was like, is that an animal? Is it a person? I couldn't tell what it was. I thought somebody was bent down maybe. Turns out it was, from here it looks like now it's a balloon that got caught maybe in the sticker bushes.
So it was not a ghost in the field?
You'd have been alone in the field if it was. Let me tell you that, because I would have been out of here.
There you have it, friends. That's the story.
That's the story. I'd have been all by myself.
We have some strawberries growing. Look at all the strawberries growing. It's a whole patch here.
I think it needs a little maintenance. Detour.
This is so beautiful. Thankfully, it's not in the middle of summer because this is going to be for sure buggy.
It's buggy right now.
Some cool walls. Rocks in the distance. Needs to cross the stream. This is not going to end well for me, I'm sure. I don't even know where to start. Don't distract me. I did it safely. Semi.
I was worried about him being slippery.
Yes. Come along.
Wow. Better get going.
Love walking in the rain. Well, at least this kind of rain. It's not pouring. But pouring rain is fun too. It's just a different type of feel. Wow, you guys have to see this rock. Hold on. Check it out. That's so cool. I'm gonna take a closer look.
Oh, I couldn't get it off this. Oh, you saw the deer. There's deer over there. Oh, down. They're going down there. I can't. Oh, yeah, you see them going a little bit. There they go. Made to an overlook, so Ola found that for us. Thank you, Ola. And it's
raining.
Yeah, it's raining, so there's that. It's all right, but it's coming down harder. And she said it's supposed to get even harder, and we're nowhere near the car. So yeah, I'm not sure what we're gonna do here. Just wanted to enjoy this for a moment anyway, right?
We're taking a shower in nature.
Tell them where we are. In the. We're in the.
We're in the.
You just said it.
We're in nature's shower.
No. I mean, yeah, I guess so, but that's not what I meant.
I need help.
We're in the clouds, guys.
Oh, we're in the clouds.
There's a view behind us. You can't see it, but it's there.
In the clouds.
In the clouds.
I wish you guys can hear the rain. Can you hear it? So awesome. Back to the trail.
Oh my goodness, this little guy, he almost didn't make it. Oh, just missed us. She didn't even see him. Sorry, buddy. Have a good day. You should get off the trail.
Still raining.
Oh, decided to go a different way than me. I'm not sure why. But it's pretty crazy. I'm not sure why they didn't provide a little better way to go through here, but I tried to stick on the routes that were closest, and we both made it, so
Yeah,
moving along.
Little rocks to cross over.
And we're getting swamped by rain and water and bugs. This, here we go. This with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Stop recording me. Heard some turkeys. Can see them there. They're like running.
There must be a lot more because that's not the direction I heard them.
Look how fast they're going.
Look, there's at least, okay,
Oh wow.
But there's some in this grass somewhere. I don't see them. That one flying?
Yeah.
They can fly? I don't think I've ever seen a turkey fly before. What the heck?
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
I didn't know they could fly.
They're like, people are coming. Is that my tree? No.
Yes.
Is it?
Yeah.
That tree is mine. All mine. All mine. I think I gave it a hug once. Picture here. It's so nice to be out in the open. And this breeze. Well, more like wind now, but feels very delightful for some reason. Okay. Let's go find more turkeys. Trail continues. And it's still what?
Raining. It's getting harder again.
Yep.
All right, everybody. So
We're gonna end the video here. It's starting to pick up more rain, a little bit harder, so we're trying to hightail it back to the car.
took shelter under this tree, but there's no leaves on it, so take that what it is. I hope you guys had a great time coming along with us. We had a great time. It was the landscape was beautiful. I wasn't sure what to expect because it started off one way, and then most of it was very different.
Was nice.
Yeah, this was great, and the rocks. And some of it now, it's like a little bit of the flowers has been great. So we hope that you enjoyed it as much as we did. We hope that you keep following along with us. So follow, like, so that other people can see it too. Don't forget to
subscribe.
Yep, you can see the link. And as always,
follow us on our next adventure.
Yeah.
See you guys next time. Bye.